Hello everyone, CDNet here with another update from the Avalanche ecosystem. Today we're going to look into Avaxino, and it's kind of a day late because they launched yesterday. But yesterday we kind of collaboratively found a little vulnerability in the code that I wanted to make sure was fixed before I put out the video on it. As far as we know, no one has exploited it. I will leave a link in the description as well if you want more information. But long story short, the way it selected the random winner was on one issue kind of gameable, and another one you could actually do a direct code interaction with it to simply retract your ticket if you didn't win. That should be resolved now, so if you're into lottery games, do watch this video. I'll just quickly run you through how it works. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you'll notice when you're on the website is you get to buy a ticket to a pool. Now for this video I will already purchase one ticket right now. And as you'll see in a moment, my ticket will be added right here to the pool. Now this is the S-size pool, small pool if you will. Once 10 players are in, it will do the lottery thing. Whoever wins gets 8 AVAX. 1 AVAX goes to the dev team and 1 AVAX moves on to the M pool. So as you can see here, the M pool will be filled by 25 AVAX from the small size pool, the one that's like moving on. And whoever wins the M-size pool will win 20 AVAX, and 5 AVAX will move on to the L pool, etc, all the way to the X pool, where whoever wins it gets 100 AVAX. But do know that by the time you're at the X-size pool, a lot of players will be playing, because the ticket that you buy will give you one entry into the S pool, into the M pool, into the L pool, into the X pool. So essentially, one ticket purchase earns you 4 entries. Your biggest chance to win is in the small size pool, but the reward you will win increases as the pools get bigger, of course. So I mentioned that for every S pool, 1 AVAX or 10% of total ticket price will go to the dev team. That's not permanent. They are also releasing their own Avaxino token. With the Avaxino token you'll be able to stake, and then you will share with all the other stakers the 10% of the ticket price. So that's a quite nice way to redistribute some of the earnings of the app back to the users. Because you can actually earn some Avaxino right now. If you participated in the old version, I think you're sharing 5% of the total supply. Another 10% of the total supply is going to go to the first 1000 winners. Do note that it says winners, so playing the game is not enough, you need to actually win the game. Then if you're a validator or delegator, you can also get a little bit of Avaxino airdropped. And of course there will be a social media campaign as well. One is already going on at this moment. On their website you'll also notice a tab for Musketeers. We do not yet know much about it. I think the expected release is in June this year, so next month. All we know is that it's some sort of custom designed game that they seem very excited about, so I'm quite curious to learn more once that goes live as well. So if you participated yesterday, you can still see your results from yesterday if you go to avaxino.com/all/user. You'll be able to see if you have any pending rewards you can still claim. Any game results that you played in. As you can see, I've not been very lucky in Randomino S or in M. The Randomino L pool is still pending because it didn't completely fill up, the one that I was into. I think they're planning to run this game with however many people are in that pool right now, and distribute the rewards as far as they have been built up to whoever wins that one. Keep an eye out on their socials, I guess, for that one. Huge kudos as well to the Avaxino team. We asked a couple of questions and they were very open about their code and everything. We had a discussion, and when we did find the vulnerability, they were very quick to fix it. Huge thanks as well for Yield Yak and the Yak Friends, who took a moment to look into it with me and find that vulnerability before anyone could exploit it. So last thing to do is to check if I won anything. Since I don't have any pending rewards, my guess is no. Best thing to do is to go to your wallet. It will take a small moment to update your status. Yeah, lost it. Randomino M may still be going on, may not have been filled yet. So yeah, my one ticket did enter me into 3 more pools that I have not completed yet, so I do still stand a chance to win something. But I think that's where we're gonna call it for this video. If you like lottery games, do check out Avaxino. I think the design with the 4 different pools is quite cool. More games coming as well. Once again, kudos to them for fixing the vulnerability so quickly. One more huge thanks to Yield Yak and the Yak Friends. But for now, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.